Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by validating licenses and enabling AI features in tenant settings. This is not optional. Once done, open Power BI Desktop and connect to your prepared source, making sure keys and data types are correct. Next, create a focused model with star schema tables and basic measures so AI prompts operate on predictable fields. Also, save a version copy before enabling AI visuals. These first steps prevent noisy results and let AI produce meaningful insights immediately rather than guessing your intent. Once your model is tidy, add AI visuals that match the question, decomposition for contribution, key influencers for drivers, queue, and a for natural language exploration. You should map fields and set aggregations before prompting. This guides the AI to use the right columns. When you write prompts, be explicit. Say which measure, time range, and comparison you want and suggest visualization form. Make sure to iterate, refine prompts, adjust model fields, and pin working visuals to a report page for reuse. To complete the workflow, validate AI-generated findings by testing known segments and cross-checking totals. You must trust the numbers before sharing. Once validated, optimize performance. Trim unused columns, prefer import or aggregated tables, and use incremental refresh. If the AI output is off, adjust prompts to be more specific, correct the model relationships, or refresh the dataset. Retrain or reindex sources if needed. One troubleshooting tip: when results seem inconsistent, reproduce.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.